our Chancellor, His Highness the Aga Khan, the Chairman and the members of the Board of Trustees, our Chief Guest, Melinda French Guest, President Firoz Rasul, Provost and Vice President, Academic Kar Amain, Dean, School of Nursing and Midwifery, Dr. Eunice Ndirangu, distinguished faculty and staff, friends of the university, including our donors, supporters, partners, and volunteers, family members of the graduate, and above all, the members of the graduating class of 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to you all. Firstly, I want to take this moment to thank our God Almighty for all the events leading up to this exciting and memorable day. With this excitement, allow me to express how humbled and honored I am to stand in front of you to give this one-of-a-kind valedictorian speech. Let me just start by saying my truth. You know what they say, the truth will always set you free. Never in my wildest dream did I ever imagine I could be giving a graduation speech. This on behalf of my colleagues to this distinguished audience. I am thinking of this era of COVID-19 where we have sadly lost our brothers and sisters, parents and grandparents to the deadly virus, which has surely changed our lives and the way we transact completely. Quite frankly, neither did I know what to say or how to say something that will make us reflect this day in the same way. However, this is what I have to say. Let me quote a proverb that says, "In every tragedy that happens, there's a blessing that comes with this." Let's face it, some of us never harmonize with that statement until today. Fear, worry, disappointment clouded our minds because the year 2020 unfolded a great deal of surprise of all times. I know and believe my colleagues will agree that every moment we lived in suspense since the emergence of COVID-19, we have lived in anxiety, wondering whether we will all survive the virus and be here today celebrating this auspicious day. We'd like to thank the Aga Khan University for their thoughtfulness and conscious choice of using modern technology, which has allowed us and our families to virtually participate in this important event. This move was done for you, for me, for us, and for this we appreciate. Now our families and friends witness the achievement and we can celebrate together as they sit at their residence. Just to remind ourselves, we celebrate not to the number of years spent on dissecting the books that look so hard to read as well as the sleepless nights. It's rather the rich knowledge and the experience we have had over the years at the Aga Khan University. And above all, the impact we'll all make to the Tanzanian communities that we serve and the prestige we bring to the nursing profession. Having said that, let me take you back where it all started and why we joined the Aga Khan University. I reflect on our excitement of receiving the letters of acceptance. It made me acknowledge that my happiness and thrill could not be contained. By the way, it's the Aga Khan University, a prestigious international university. Who could pass up that chance? In the long run, after joining, we realized that it was not an easy job. The sleepless nights, the exams, each step of the academic journey the clinical rotations that challenge our nursing skills each time we visit the wards. This was all part of the road to the excellency. In the end, we are now reaping the sweet fruit name called graduate. It is in the desire to serve our patients, students, employers, and Tanzanian community better that motivated us to pursue the higher profession qualifications at the ACU Sonam, consequently attaining our professional and personal dreams. With the education attained at Aga Khan University, we will already have and continue to touch and change the lives of the many, bringing about positive impact. We pledge to be candid servants of the communities that we serve while carrying our professional and the AKU flags as high as sign of professionalism, quality, and integrity. Honestly, to speak, the journey to this day of May 22nd, which my fellows as well as our facilitators can bear witness to, was not easy for many reasons at different levels. Giving up socialization with family and friends at times, and missing out the milestones of our children so that we can stand here and claim this victory. Some had to travel from upcountry, leaving what they are accustomed to come to Aga Khan, where at times accommodation is a problem. However, the team spirit, the hard work, the hope of one day making it in our careers did not fade away with all these challenges. However, it built us into stronger individuals and students every day, giving us a good reason not to hide our deep, happy emotions that have absolutely nothing to do with dopamine infusion. For those who remember, dopamine is a biochemical agent responsible for our emotions. Thank you to Mr. Stewart for that wonderful lesson. Today, we celebrate the fruits of the hard work that we all put into our studies. We all know the amount of efforts and commitment that goes at Aga Khan University. Not that it's bad, but it's worth it. We highly appreciate the efforts, commitment, and support from the faculty and staff of ACU, which was very crucial for our individual growth, future, and how we plan to change the world. Thinking about the number of people who have graced us with their presence here today, and the sacrifice that each has made so that we can see this day, it literally brings a tear to my eyes. And I mean it. It literally brings a tear to my eyes. And thinking of all the challenges we faced together and their resolution, there was nothing, and I mean nothing, that this class of 20 and 2021, that could not be accomplished. Oftentimes, people wonder, how did we do it? It was one thing and one thing only: teamwork, teamwork. We realized that together we can accomplish more than what a single individual could do. Having said that, we wish to take this moment to remember our colleague who passed away during the course of our studies, Mr. Faustin. To you, we say, keep shining, even in spirits. To our parents, guardians, and sponsors, we remain eternally grateful for the choice you made to invest in us and our academic journey. We promise to never back down for what the life has in store in us professionally. For the Aga Khan sponsored programs, we thank you for giving us a chance an opportunity to attain the knowledge we have attained and which we plan to put into good use so that our patients can benefit. We are thankful for our wonderful facilitators, the resources made available to us, online materials, amongst other things. It is difficult, almost impossible, to deny these things uplifted and motivated us to become the change agent you witness today. We promise to continue being change agents, valuable assets to our employers, good ambassadors of the Aga Khan University, and most importantly, to our loyal clients. At times, when you played a role of mentors or mothers, friends and fathers while we were still in school, when we were down and didn't see the light, you showed us it can be done. I am lost for words every time I think of all the good that has come out of us, that we didn't know it existed at all. Just to wind up, to our family members who gave unconditional support and encouragement on difficult times that made us stand here proudly standing, we are eternally and forever grateful. Thank you very much for listening. That winds up the end of the speech. My name's Memory Kambule Mpore, and I'm happy to finally close this chapter and looking forward to the next chapter in our lives. Congratulations, my fellow graduate. If I say Aku, you say do. Aku! Aku! Thank you very much.